Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super helpful quick video to any of you trying to find the engine, computer, fuses and relays on GMC Sierra that generation year 2014 to 2018. The engine computer is also known as ECU ECM PCM, guys. So we'll explain which fuses, relays control it, where you can find them, how to check them. Also, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from and where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. The engine, computer, fuses and relays, where we can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on that generation GMC Sierra right here guys. Now, quick advice guys. 9 out of 10 people do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Sierra. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it can save you a lot of money. Today for the engine, computer, fuses and relays, we need to open the hood. Lucky for us, we work in a fuse box that's easy to get to. It's on the driver's side. You see that's the brake fluid reservoir. Right here you have guys the main engine fuse box. Here you need to open that cover and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here is what we need to check. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, this specific fuse box guys layout is only for 2018 model. 2014 all the way to 2017 they used a different layout, so we'll talk about that in a second. First we'll demonstrate on a 2018 model where they're located guys. Okay, we'll be working all over the place now. We will have different locations, okay, for fuses and relays. The first one is fuse number 34. You see that 15 amp fuse? We need to check that one guys, very important fuse. Then we need to check fuse number 43. We're talking about that 15 amp fuse right here. Next you need to locate fuse number 51, which is that fuse right here. After that guys, okay, we need to locate relay 70, which will be this relay right here. Next, if you have a 2014 through 2017, okay, what do we need to check? Okay, again, okay, let me see if that's a better view for that fuse so you can clearly, okay, see that. Okay, we froze a little bit, give me a second. Okay, it's coming guys, hopefully, yeah, perfect. Again, we need to check fuse number 34, that will be the same fuse right here. Then we need to check fuse number 43 right here, and we need to check fuse 51 over here. Now the relay guys, okay, you may or may not have this difference. The number of the relay now, it's known as 71, so it's that relay. Instead of being the rectangular relay, it's a square relay for 2014 through 2017. That's the main difference guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know, but those are the main things you need to check. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend, guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.